I keep saying this one thing, right? What you got to do is like a lot of people come to me and ask, how do I learn to talk? How do I this? Okay, what you got to do is first things first, try and identify a piece of content. The best things could be audio or video and audio. Pick one of the movies that you like to watch, and that movie has to have a lot of conversations. Then snip a part out of that movie, a little part, like you have nowadays. You have a lot of reels and shorts. Pick them. You have a lot of them going on, like two characters from one of your favorite movies are trying to exchange dialogue. Those very, very intelligent sounding lines. Why not grab them? Why not listen to those things on a repeat mode, trying to memorize so that you could utilize these lines whenever you want later. Nobody is going to remember that you copied these lines from this movie. At least the folks that are not that great with English are never going to make it out that you copied these lines.
Or
why not do
you're
that?
not using iconic lines.
Yeah. So people don't want to go through that process of repetition when they are not in love with it. And that's the problem. So you need to understand, if you want to learn anything, not only English, you first need to ask yourself, do I really love to do this? Do I really have love for it, so that I can sustain the practice sessions for hours and hours and ask no questions like, okay, when do I get to learn? Okay, how long is the course? Well, to break the myth, there is nothing called as course. If you're still waiting for a course, English course, then you could be that one dumbest person on this earth. One freaking dumb person on this earth saying that, okay, मेरे को English कब आएगा? ये course कब खत्म हो जाएगा?
That's not just it. Like, people actually come back with complaints like, oh, why am I not speaking English as yet?
Yeah.
I mean, we are not gonna. This is sorry.
The recent film, Shah Rukh Khan's film Donkey, which came up, it showed how people are learning the English course just to go to London to get a visa. I hope you have watched
I don't know if you have noticed or not, but I'm a Punjabi, okay? So yes, I know those people. I have taught those people. I was like, I used to teach them. So I know what you're talking about.
The film portrays nice reality.
Yes, and they actually come back to you. You're like, I'm spending so much time in this class. I come every day and still I can't speak. Why can't I speak? I mean, this is a language that your teachers tried to teach you for 15 years.
Yeah.
I mean, we are not magicians. We're not going to do that in in a month or 2 months. It's something that you have to do. Like, we are there to correct them. We can do a lot. But even then, you are the people who really need to work on it. We are not magicians. So this is something that no English teacher or anywhere in the world can explain to these people. That can't happen.